Right, g'day guys, and welcome back to Motocapers. So as you can see on my XSR900 in front, we have the Kelpie Customs black Cerakoted exhaust with the Shorty End fitted. Now when I bought it, I went for the standard Baffle, and look, I really like the sound. But one of my friends has been complaining when we go on a ride that it's a little bit too loud. So what I've done is reached out to the guys at Kelpie Customs, and I've purchased the Quiet Core Baffle. So they seem to tell me that it will knock some of the decibels down, but it'll keep the sound nice and deep, which is what I want. So what I thought we'd do today is go through the motions of replacing the standard Baffle with the Quiet Core Baffle, and just see what a difference that makes. What I'll do is, after I show you what tools we're going to use to do this, because really there's only two springs that have to be pulled off, and then one bolt that has to be undone to be able to get the Shorty End off and replace this in the end. But what I'll do is run you through what we'll need. So basically, to get this job done, the only thing we're going to need is a spring puller and a 14mm spanner. Yeah, so if I wanted to, I could attack that bolt there, just put a spanner on the back and an Allen key in the front, but I think I'll just hit this bolt here, which should be a lot easier. Before we get started replacing the standard Baffle with a Quiet Core Baffle on the Kelpie exhaust, what I'll do is, the next thing you'll hear is me starting up the bike and letting it idle. I don't want to do that for too long because it'll heat the system up too much, and I'll give it a couple of revs just so you can see what it sounds like with the standard Baffle, and then after we replace it with the Quiet Core, we'll do the same with the camera in the same location. Alright, so this is the exhaust with the standard Baffle. Right, so the first thing we're going to do, guys, with the spring puller is just hook that on and pull the springs off. One spring, place it down here, and we'll get the second spring from the inside. And two springs. Okay, so that's the springs off. Right, now what we'll do is tuck this bolt here, remove that bolt there, and then we should be able to wiggle off our Shorty End.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we got that off, got our standard Baffle out, we've put our Quiet Core Baffle in, and now we've got the Shorty End back on. We'll put this bolt through next, make sure we've still got our good gap here between the muffler tip and the swing arm, and then we'll get our springs back on, and that should be about it. So we'll get stuck into that. Alright guys, so we've got our Shorty End back on. We're now going to put the bolt back through. That lines up nicely. Awesome. We'll get the washer on the other end. And I always like to just get a little bit of Loctite. It's self-locking. They're only good for a couple of turns, so a little bit of Loctite in there won't hurt. We don't need much. Alright, we'll get that tightened back up. Our springs line up still, so that's good. Right, so 6mm Allen key. Placed in, and then we want our 13mm that's nipped up. Alright, that's about as tight as we need that, which is good. Alright, so our nuts now nice and tight. Next thing we need to do is get our springs back on. One on. And this one, I think will be easier to get from this one. Two on. So that's our springs on, bolt on, we've got good clearance. And our standard baffle has now been replaced with the quiet core baffle. So the next thing, guys, I'll just start the bike up cold and let you guys see what it sounds like with the quiet core baffling. So what I'll do, I'll cut the video up and make sure we can get those played side by side, just to see what difference there is between the standard baffle and the quiet core. But it still sounds nice and deep. Maybe now just a little bit quieter, but you still got that good deep rumble that you obviously want from an exhaust like this. Alright, so if you like that, guys, please give the video a thumbs up, share it around, and please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought or what you'd like to see in the future. Interestingly, about 90% of the people that watch these videos aren't subscribed, so if you could subscribe, it would make the world of difference to me, trying to grow the channel. So yeah, stay safe, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya.